Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to select the PS5 version of games on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So if we go on over a game, there could be a PS5 version of it. So like Battlefield, if we go on down, we can check by going to these three little dots. And there should be an option to select version. So I only see the open beta and the PS4 edition right here. Now, if I go to a game like Minecraft is a recent one, if I go on down, there's an option now for the PS5 version. So if you haven't noticed this, go ahead and install the PS5 version of Minecraft right here. But you can see there's the PSVR version and the PS4 version on the right, and then the PS5 version. Now, there is no specific version just for the PS5 Pro. It's just going to be all considered PS5. So there's like 88 games right now that have enhancements. So you just kind of have to look at the list online to see if there's any enhancements for specifically the PS5 Pro. But definitely get the PS5 version. Like here's Call of Duty. We can go to this. And I got the last gen edition. So I got PS4, the beta, and then PS5 version. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.